All right, I got some sassy beadlock wheels here. Let me go ahead and unpackage them. Have a look, make sure they sent over something with the right bolt pattern, right diameter, and all the parts. All right, give me a second. All right, at the top of the package was the beadlock ring and the beadlock hardware. All right, let's keep going. Well, we got a helpful warning from California here, so we'll go ahead and be extra careful about chromium and chemicals and California cancer causing. All right, here's what you got inside. Very nice looking wheel, a sticker for your spray paint cabinet, and some instructions in color no less, so that's pretty cool. All right, I just took a few minutes to go ahead and drop the beadlock ring over the edge of it, double check that it's the right size, start a couple of bolts, and then these ones came with valve stems, so that's nice. Another pro tip here is that if it's your turn to watch the baby, you can just put him on the baby Bjorn and you can go to town unboxing this stuff, right, bud? You can help with this? All right, let's keep going. You might be asking yourself, what do I do with these boxes? Well, that's easy, bud. You just throw them in somebody else's dumpster late at night because you ain't got room in your trash can. All right, good job, fella. You got these unboxed and set aside. Key here is make sure you're storing stuff underneath another project. That way you got to move everything to do anything that's what smart people do. And then also double check that all the 37 R16 tires nationwide are on back order, or at least that was Discount Tire Direct tells you. That way there's no chance these will get on your truck for at least 3 to 6 months, and you'll really just feel like you're running a warehouse here. But anyhow, hope you jokers have a good weekend, and we'll talk again soon.